Innovation, reimagined. Design, revolutionized. Technology, repaired. Touch, of course. It's our primary method of interaction with our connected devices. Yet it occurred to us that while the world becomes more and more connected, we are losing touch with what really brings us together. The intimate relationship between the user and technology is becoming more and more distant. And that's why we completely redesigned the relationship with your closest device, your smartphone. To enhance the experience of connectivity, to bring the device even closer to you than ever before, and to repair your relationship with technology.
Responsiveness, direct haptic feedback, instantaneous access, opening up a world of possibilities. Completely familiar yet entirely revolutionary. Reintroducing the screwdriver. A screwdriver is a familiar tool, yet with its carefully engineered technology working seamlessly with the screws, it delivers something extraordinary. The apex of design is when you don't think, just feel. It almost feels like you've used this before.
The tip of our precision molded liquid metal Infinity Waterfall Plus Pro Max Mini now accommodates magnets. And all of this comes together in a sleek, balanced and surprisingly light form factor. Once you've used it, you will not see the world with the same eyes.
Introducing to the hands of users ownership, repairability, longevity. Change is now truly in your hands.
Our screwdrivers come in the box of every Fairphone 3 or 3 Plus. They are not sold separately. However, Fairphone does not have a patent on all screwdrivers, and you can purchase them from other resellers. Using a screwdriver may cause the following side effects: extended lifespan of all electronic devices that are meant to be repaired, increased inquisitiveness about the way your products are made, and severe discomfort with phones and other electronics that are not designed to open. User discretion is advised.